Very easy, not that difficult. I implore you to watch this video to the end. Firstly, you have to type a capital N. Now highlight the N. Right click on the N. Go down to font. Now in font you see an option here, double strike through. Just click on it and click OK. It's already, the sign is here, so you click OK. In order not to make this thing to appear on every document, just right click and copy it. Then you can as well highlight, go back to same font and unmark this double strike through and click OK. I think you can now, anywhere I type a document and shift can paste, click paste. Okay, it's come up anywhere, paste, 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 keep on coming. That is simply how to make a Naira sign using Microsoft Word. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me. Thank you very much.